Hi, all. I'd like to welcome you to the Cybersecurity and Digital Forensics and Computer Information Systems Open House. Sorry that I could not be there today, but I'll talk to you a little bit about the program. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. My name is Sarena Schwartz, and I am the program director for the IS department. And like I just mentioned before, the IS department does include cybersecurity and digital forensics, CDF, and computer information systems, CIS. And you have over here my email, sschwartz@stevenson.edu, and my phone number, 443-352-4148. If you have any questions about the program, please feel free to contact me and I will get back to you as soon as I can. First of all, why should we do Stevenson University Online? So the thing about Stevenson University Online is that you get personal support, it's convenient, it's flexible, it's affordable, it's career focused, and it's entirely online. So you can make your schedule, work around your work schedule, and really take as many or as few classes as you need in order to fit the classes into your daily life, where I know everybody is busy with life, with family, with work. So the SUO really does give that flexibility that many people need in order to be able to work and go to school at the same time. Talk a little bit about cybersecurity and digital forensics. First of all, we're one of 16 schools which are a department, a DC3, Department of Defense school, which means that when you get your cybersecurity and digital forensics degree, when you graduate, you will receive at the same time as your diploma, you'll also receive 2 certifications from the Department of Defense. Those are the Digital Forensics Examiner and the Digital Media Collector. So those are 2 extra certifications that you will receive when you graduate with a CDF degree. This slide was not easy to make because if you look up what you can do with a cybersecurity and digital forensics degree, it would take many slides to give all the different jobs that are out there. One nice thing that is different with our cybersecurity degree is that it does include cybersecurity and digital forensics. Those are 2 separate sides that most universities do not include both together. You can either get a cybersecurity degree or a digital forensics degree. And so this is a very unique and much sought after degree because it combines those 2 skills, cybersecurity and digital forensics. As far as technical knowledge, skills, and abilities, and again, I just had to pick some. We discussed security policy, cybersecurity risk assessment, network vulnerability, security controls, and forensics investigations and reporting. Career paths, like I mentioned, these are just a couple: digital forensics analyst, cybersecurity analyst, information security specialist, computer forensic technician. Basically, you come to school and you can find a job. Job placement is really high. Most of our students do not have any problem finding a job when they leave, and the jobs that they find are high-paying jobs straight out of college. So that is advantages to our cybersecurity and digital forensics degree. As far as our computer information systems, we just revamped this degree, and really it's a powerhouse now as well. Our technical knowledge, skills, and abilities are software development, database design, network administration, cloud computing, business analytics, project management. You can choose your IT career based off of getting a CIS degree, and then you can just go anywhere. And we don't just give you a little foundation of all these subjects. You really go in and deep dive into all of these subjects. You can become a software developer, a database administrator, an IT project manager. You can become a network administrator. Business analytics is huge now, so that's something that you can do. Again, I just out of lack of space, we just couldn't write it all down. But again, it's a popular open field that you can go almost anywhere with. The professional competencies that I have on the side are really professional competencies that you get in either the computer information systems or in the cybersecurity and digital forensics program. Things like critical thinking, problem solving, communication, personal integrity and work ethic, leadership and teamwork. These are all integral parts of our program. What I also wanted to mention is that you could really make your study, you can really go in so many different directions. We have discipline minors and professional minors. You could do a cybersecurity and digital forensics degree with a minor in software design and coding. You can do a computer information systems degree with a minor in healthcare management. So you can really customize your degree to fit what you want to do. We also have a BS to MS program, a bachelor's to master's program, where you start here in the bachelor's program. And then while you're doing your bachelor's program, you can start taking courses towards your master's in order to finish and get that master's degree earlier. There's really a lot that you can do with these degrees. They are popular. They are degrees that you want that will help you find a job and well-paying jobs. So really, these are definitely current degrees where we're constantly changing them to keep up with the industry. And I just want to go back just to put up my contact information again in case you have any questions. Here is my email and my phone number. Please feel free to contact me and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you very much and have a great day.